Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
If you've tried and failed at online marketing, then this is 1000% for you. I'm going to show you the 3 crazy hacks that built us $1 million business in just a few months by leveraging free traffic from YouTube in this one exponential way. And now you can have AI make amazing videos for you so you never have to be on camera. No one is doing this right now, not even the top YouTubers. What you're about to see is a massive breakthrough in how you can leverage YouTube to sell literally anything online. You name it, you can sell it using this powerful traffic and sales system. You can sell affiliate products, courses, e-commerce, software, really anything you want. So what makes this system different? Why does this system work when most other marketing systems don't work? And how did we do this in just 2 hours a week? It's due to the 3 huge paradigm shifts that this amazing selling system gives you that no other system gives you. But before we get to that, and before I explain what Russell Brunson has to do with all this, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried any of these and failed miserably? Facebook ads, solo ads, affiliate marketing, e-commerce and dropshipping, SEO services, social media marketing, any online marketing at all? Well, I can tell you exactly why you weren't able to make those work. It's really simple when you think about it. It's why pretty much any selling system fails. And it's because there's a key ingredient missing. You see, what makes these selling systems fail is not the traffic source, the copywriting, or the sales funnel. It's not the images you used, it's not the quality of your video or your personality. What's missing in most selling systems is the warm-up. What do I mean by the warm-up? The warm-up is when you take an icy cold audience and build a relationship with them so that they know you, like you, and trust you. And then, and only then, will they buy from you. Think about it. In everything you've tried that didn't work out, was the audience warmed up to buying from you? Or was it the first time they ever saw you and your offer? I can tell you that it was probably the only time they ever saw your offer. And think about it. Have you ever bought something sight unseen and the first time you saw it, and without trusting the person you bought it from? Most of us have to at least trust the person we're buying from, right? So most people will not buy from you the first time, and that's why the warm-up is so important. This is key. With the 7-figure sales machine, your leads get warmed up automatically with no extra effort on your part. So they go from icy cold leads to blazing hot, ready to buy customers. And it does this so effortlessly that it feels like magic. That is the one huge advantage to this system that no one else has. Now, I'll explain it further in a little bit, but first I want to show you some proof. As you can see, we used this 7-figure sales machine system to launch a brand new YouTube channel just a few months ago. Last month, the system brought us 66 course sales for a total of $3,108 and 361 monthly paid newsletter subscribers paying us $19 a month each for a total of $6,859 a month and growing. That adds up to $9,967 a month in monthly recurring income. And this doesn't even count that this system got us into the YouTube Partner Program, which has YouTube paying us for ad revenue on a recurring basis every month. And we also make affiliate sales, plus we're already getting approached by potential sponsors. That's right, we're working on paid sponsorship deals right now. So if you're counting, that's a total of 5 income streams, and all of them are recurring income. And that's the best kind of income, right? We've got YouTube ad revenue, we've got course sales, we've got monthly paid newsletter, that's recurring, we've got affiliate sales, and we have sponsorship deals. Now, if you take the more than $10,000 a month and growing that we're making from this amazing YouTube system, multiplied by 12 months, this YouTube system is paying us $120,000 a year in yearly recurring income. And it only takes us 2 hours a week. Now, everyone knows that when a business is sold, it's typically sold at 5 to 15 times its annual recurring revenue. So let's say we were to sell this business at 10 times its annual revenue. 120,000 times 10 is $1.2 million. That's right, we could hypothetically sell this business for $1.2 million. Now, we don't want to sell it, of course, because not only are we having too much fun building this amazing YouTube system, because it's ever growing and recurring income, and again, it only takes us 2 hours a week to do, but this thing flat out works. And it can work for you and for anything you want to sell as well. Now, here's a super important point. We're just getting started. We're just a few months in, and because this YouTube system grows like a snowball, we can't wait to see what happens in a few months, in a few years, and even in 10 years. It's going to be bonkers. But as soon as we started having success and we realized that anyone could achieve success with this 7-figure sales machine system, we couldn't wait to share the system with you. And that brings us to the 3 big paradigm shifts. I just told you about shift number 1, the critical importance of warming up your cold leads so they easily and effortlessly buy from you. This amazing 7-figure sales machine system does this for you automatically and effortlessly. It's pretty dang ingenious how it does it too. You'll learn more on the inside. The second shift is using the power and leverage of email marketing and combining that with the free leads that YouTube gives us automatically so that you build an ever-growing list of your best prospects. Now, as someone who's been marketing online since 1998, it amazes me how many YouTubers are not using email marketing. And if they do, they're not using the full power they have available to them. We use it in such a genius way that our prospects never feel pressured to buy from us, but instead, they feel like it's their decision to buy. And they do, over and over and over again. And the third shift is applying multiple leverage elements that dramatically speed up our results and do it with just 2 hours a week. And let me be brutally honest with you. If you don't believe you can commit just 2 hours a week to your business, it's probably time to get a job. So let's review. I believe that the main reasons you haven't had the success you deserve are not something you're doing wrong. Reason number 1, most systems never teach the importance of warming up your audience, and therefore, we fail to do this and reap the negative consequences. Reason number 2, you haven't tapped into email marketing in a powerful leveraged way that automatically works for you. Most systems make you do a lot of work and jump through hoops to build and warm up an email list, but this works without all that extra effort. Reason number 3, you've not discovered the many leverage hacks that can catapult your success to unheard of levels yet. We've identified at least 20 leverage points that will dramatically juice your results so you can build something you love to do and are proud of and that pays for the lifestyle you've always wanted. Here's just one example. We've identified 4 key places on YouTube where we offer our lead magnet so that tons of viewers will see it and get on our email list. And this is just one sneak peek example of the many powerful leverage points you'll find inside the 7-figure sales machine system. You want one more hack? Well, we'll show you our proven system that warms up the audience to levels you've never seen before, making them so hot and excited and ready to buy now. This system does it automatically, so you don't have to put any extra effort into this. It's practically done for you. Now, a few years ago, I was hired by Russell Brunson to create 3 YouTube courses for his FunnelFlix program. It's kind of like Netflix, but for marketers. Now, Russell had interviewed 3 of the world's top YouTube experts, and he wanted me to create courses based on those interviews. Through this process, I had to learn some of the strategies that the experts had mentioned in their interviews with Russell. And I was floored by the way they used YouTube to build gigantic businesses. That was a great learning experience for me because until then, I had no idea the power that YouTube held for marketers like you and me. Now, it's been several years since Russell hired me, but in the last several years, I've been immersing myself in all things YouTube. And I've been applying my marketing lens to how I would use leverage on YouTube if I ever decided to get serious about it. Well, when my friend James and I decided to launch a brand new YouTube channel, I knew this was my chance to prove out these amazing leverage hacks. Now, in total, I've counted almost 30 different leverage hacks that turn YouTube into an incredible marketing machine, and man, has it worked. Now, I've already shown you the proof, but one thing you need to know is that this is a system designed to be exponential in growth. I call it the snowball effect because when you roll a snowball down a hill, not only does it grow fast, but it also starts to move faster as it grows in size. It's the most incredible thing. As someone who's had tons of success in the online marketing game since 1998, I found so many little ways to leverage all the different YouTube features to achieve one main goal, and that's to build a highly engaged email list. And as you know, once you have a highly engaged email list that's warmed up to you, you can sell anything. And that's how we do it. But that's just the beginning. There's so much more to this. For example, inside this amazing YouTube training, you'll learn how to create the videos, how to use AI to create the videos for you, how to get massive free traffic from YouTube, how to automatically warm up your leads from YouTube so they turn into hungry buyers of anything you want to sell, the best way to sell lots of your products, services, or affiliate offers, and it's not what you think, how to turn this into an ever-growing list of people who are ready to buy right now. And not only that, but we're delivering an entire leveraged system that you can plug and play with to build entire faceless YouTube channels that work for you on autopilot. We use AI to create the most amazing professional videos that you can plug right into the system so you never have to be on camera. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you can build a massive business using YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. So if you're ready to make YouTube your powerful sales machine in 2024, so you can start enjoying life, going on trips, paying off your house, buying the cars you'd love to own, or just taking care of everyone you care about, then this is a system for you. Click that button below and let me show you inside the YouTube matrix.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.